Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my channel. Today we are kicking off that Harry Potter Lego set build series with the Harry Potter Expecto Patronum from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Definitely let me know how many times I'm saying Harry Potter in the comments because I feel like it's going to be a lot. But this set is number 75945. It's 121 pieces, comes with 2 Dementors, Sirius Black, and Harry Potter. It has the full reenactment set where Harry Potter is over Sirius and you have the Death Eaters coming to give him the deadly kiss, and Harry Potter is trying to get his Patronus to come out of his wand, and he's just
Expecto Patronum!
And it's just, it gives me goose pimples up and down my arms. It brings a little tear. It's just one of my favorite moments in a book, in the cinematic. It's so great. If you enjoy Prisoner of Azkaban, definitely let me know in the comments. This is one of the first of 6, was it 6? 6 videos to let me know your favorite Harry Potter moments and your favorite Harry Potter memories down below in the comments so you can win your very own Harry Potter Lego set. Now I say I stop rambling and we go ahead and we get into this box and we start building our Expecto Patronum Harry Potter Lego set. So let's just get in here. Ooh. And let's see what we're working with. Boom. That's it, empty box. So it looks like we have one bag of Legos, another bag of Legos, another bag of Legos, Harry's Patronus. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. And let's find out what's in here. Ooh. Oh, they got their little Dementor capes. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Just get these out, scoot those to the side. We don't need this. And we have our instruction books. This looks like it is going to be maybe a little bit complicated, but you know, we're going to have fun. We're going to do it. 121 pieces. Let's do it. And after all those quick, easy, well, some of them were easy. Some of them I had to go back and I was like, I don't know if this is right, but we'll make it work. But you have your Harry Potter Expecto Patronum Lego set with your 2 Dementors, your Patronus, Harry, Sirius rested up against the rock while Harry's trying to protect him. A perfect cinematic scene captured in Lego form. Well, thank you all for stopping by and building Legos with me. I had so much fun putting together this Harry Potter Expecto Patronum Lego set. If you're a fan of Harry Potter and you're a fan of Legos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm posting up videos you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And after you subscribe and turn on notifications, don't forget to head below into the comments and let me know your favorite Harry Potter experience and your favorite Harry Potter memory. Then, at the end of April, I will pick one random lucky winner to pick out their very own Lego Harry Potter set. Alrighty, well I'm gonna find a place to display my Expecto Patronum Harry Potter Lego set. I don't know where, I'll find a place for it. But as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye!